Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android 8.0 Oreo system special for Hyundai Elantra 2011 to 2013 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. There are front USB and two SD card slots. Okay. You can check this UI interface. It's built in the DVD player. You can choose the logo. You can choose time. You can choose navy and music. Choose the logo. You can check this Belsee logo. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose this logo for Hyundai. Okay, it shows the Hyundai logo, and you can adjust this theme color. You can adjust any theme color in this panel. You can adjust blue, red, any color on this panel can be adjusted. Okay, let me choose the red. Let me back Belsee logo. Okay, let me show the system. You can check about motion. Model is PX5. Android version PX5 Octa rack chip. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. We back the home. Firstly, let me introduce the SSR. This VPN can visit any site. Okay, let me check the Wi-Fi. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Check the internet. Okay, it's built in the voice command. Google. Let me connect the small speaker. Then head unit will have sounds. This small speaker I use the test sound. Okay. It supports Google Voice command. New York. It will search New York automatically. This voice. Okay. Show the New York.
Here are some matching news articles.
London. It also can show the London city. Okay, let me check our website. You can search Belsee. This is our website, belsee.com, belse.com. You can contact us if you have any more questions. Okay, this is new model. This model for BMW. Okay, this is our website. Let me introduce navigation. It's built in Google Maps. London. Okay, it will search London city automatically. New York. Okay, let me show the music. There are two USB cables. This USB driver connected USB. It plays music automatically. Supports running Google navigation and music at the same time. Okay, let me introduce Bluetooth. This pin number, device name, pin number. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open the phone. You need to enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Okay, click search button. Okay, it shows Galaxy S8 Plus. Click pair button. You will get command. Okay, put the 40 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's connect show Bluetooth echo. There are information. You can check allow access to contacts. If you allow it, it will show this will show the contacts listing. You can allow or deny it. Okay. The music already playing background when you make phone call. Okay, sound music stopped. All sounds will be stopped. All audio will be stopped. When you hang up, it will do same thing. Okay, it's play music again. Okay, let me show the streaming music from your phone. The first time need to reconnect again. Bluetooth. Pair it again. Okay. Okay. You can play music from your phone. Volume from your phone. Okay. Let me show the video. You can play video from USB. Video disabled while driving for safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Driving setting. Car setting. Driver setting, watch video, turn on the watch video, and play video game. USB 3. Okay, it supports 4K Samsung 4K demo video play. Okay, that's all. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.